Hi, it's IPC Apex Expo 2023. We're in San Diego, drawing towards the end of the second day. Catching up with Iain Nichols from Spectrum SMT. Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you too.
It's been a while since we've had a show as good as this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's unbelievably busy. Obviously, last year was the first year back after the pandemic, and last year was perhaps a little bit quiet, but this has been really, really busy the last couple of days. Crazy. We've not had a chance even for lunch.
I've seen it.
It's terrible.
Yeah. Now you're renowned for being a supplier of nozzles, feeders, custom parts, the whole SMT line, keeping them running. But you've got a new smart storage Arcadia.
Yeah, well, for years we partnered with Synergy, James Whitehouse, who's an old industry legend, and our sales work well together, have done for many years in North America and Europe. And between us, we were looking for a product that we could rep exclusively in North America and Europe, and we chanced upon the smart storage guys at Arcadia in Italy, and after a lot of research, and we wanted to make sure that anything we put our name to was going to hold up to the high reputation and regard in which we're held. And Arcadia ticked all the boxes, so we went out to visit them in Italy back in the summer. We were really, really impressed with the product. We felt that it ticked all the boxes. We felt that the quality was there. More importantly, the enthusiasm, and it's what you would call a next generation smart storage system. So they've looked at what was available on the market, and they've tried to improve upon that, which they've now done. And so there's lots of advantages over their competitors. So we're really, really pleased with it.
Is it quite a scalable system? If you've got a small line and you just want to apply it to some of it, or to the whole line?
And you can literally, a customer that's got maybe 250 different reels could get set up for as little as about $7,000, and it's scalable right up to a full-size warehousing. We've just put a trial system into a very large motor manufacturer in Eastern Europe that we're not allowed to say who it is at the moment. And they are going to be testing this for rollout across 200 lines across Europe and the rest of the world. So, massively scalable. You can literally start with one shelf. You can add shelves to it. You don't have to configure it in one particular size or diameter. It's very scalable and very adaptable.
Yeah. How does it, so people can, you support them through the whole installation process and there's several options. We can,
if a customer's very unsure about the process of setting it up, we can send someone in free of charge to physically set it up. But typically what we do is the hardware gets delivered with the software built in. We arrange an online training session which normally lasts 2 hours. As part of that process, it will set the system up with the customer, and we will literally provide unlimited support to make sure they're happy, and that the free support for the product is a lifetime. We provide lifetime support for we can do that because we know that once it's in there, it doesn't really go wrong. Same thing with any spare parts. We do a 3-year warranty, but there are no moving parts. There's really nothing to go wrong apart from if something gets damaged by accident.
And sounds like 2-hour training, so it can be up and running.
In
really
a few
quickly.
hours.
Yeah.
Just depends on the ability of the operator that you're training. If it's someone like me, it'd probably take 2 days. But someone with average intelligence, 2 hours is sufficient. Yeah,
that's fantastic. And your booth has been busy, so people have been quite impressed.
It's been crazy. We had a few customers that knew we were going to be here. That wanted to come and see us to look at what we were doing, but it's a long time since I've been at a trade show. We've 3 of us on there full time. It's been a long time since I've been to a trade show where I literally haven't stopped all day, and it's been like that for the last 2 days, which is great. A little break now and again would be all right, but honestly, it's been crazy. It's been really, really busy, so it's very well received. We didn't manage to get all of the hardware out here we hoped to because of shipping issues, but we've got demonstration machines there. We can actually demonstrate how it works. It's been really, good.
What other shows will you be at then? So that
Well, we'll
people can see it? What's the
do
plan?
SMTAI in Minneapolis.
Yep.
We'll do Productronica. We'll probably do SMT Connect in Nuremberg
Right,
as well.
yeah.
So we're covering primarily North America and Europe. There's other partners involved in some parts of Europe, but we're kind of heading up what's going on out here. And we've got it's a great relationship with the guys at Arcadia, because if we've got any issues that concern us, they either have got the answer, or they'll say, okay, well, we hadn't thought about that, we'll fix that. So it's fluid, and it's kind of, the whole system is growing as is required. So
well, that's good that
impressive.
customer feedback through you is actually driving innovation. Isn't it?
Well, that's right, because every customer is slightly different. These units have been around for about 2 years, so they're very well tried and trialled in live factory environments. But now that they brought us on board with Synergy, they're suddenly finding they're extremely busy with the inquiries we're bringing to them.
That's good.
So it works well for everybody if there were enough hours in the day.
Excellent. Yes, that is the problem. Yeah.
That is the problem.
Well, thanks for sparing the time to talk to us.
Nice to see you again.
We'll see you in Nuremberg probably next.
In Nuremberg, indeed. Yeah, yes. Look forward to it.
Thank you.
Thanks, Iain.